Welcome to Bible Jews. Have you ever felt like you're in a valley, a place of trouble, loss, or regret? A valley often metaphorically represents a difficult time. There are times when we are high on our mountaintops. We can see the beautiful landscape and clarify our sense of direction. But other times, we are deep down in the valley. Ahead of us lies a mountain, perhaps steep and difficult to climb. Moreover, we cannot see beyond the mountain. We lack clarity and may feel stuck and troubled. In the Bible, there is a place called the Valley of Achor, a valley known for pain. But God transforms it into something unexpected, a door of hope. What is the Valley of Achor and why was it called a valley of trouble? The Valley of Achor first appears in the story of Achan in the book of Joshua, chapter 7, verse 26. After the fall of Jericho, Achan disobeyed God by taking forbidden items. Because of this, Israel faced defeat and suffering. The place where judgment fell was called the Valley of Achor. In Hebrew, the word Achor means trouble or affliction. It became a symbol of sin, consequences, and brokenness. How does God turn a valley of trouble into a door of hope? But in Hosea, God speaks something powerful. He says he will turn that very valley into a door of hope. And there I will give her vineyards and make the Valley of Achor a door of hope. Hosea 2 verse 15. What does this mean? It means that God can take the places of our deepest failure and turn them into beginnings of restoration. Where there was trouble, God brings hope. Where there was loss, God opens a new path. What does the Valley of Achor mean for our lives today? We all experience valleys, moments of regret, disappointment, or pain. Sometimes, we feel stuck in our past mistakes. But God does not leave us there. He redeems. He restores. He renews. Your valley is not your end. It can become your doorway into something greater if you trust Him. Can your valley become God's door of hope? No matter what valley you are walking through today, God can turn it into a door of hope. We have all been to the valley of trouble, and it's not a good place to be. But Hosea 2 verse 15 teaches us that God will turn our valley of trouble into a door of hope. Hold on. Trust Him. Because your story is not over. Your breakthrough may begin right where you are. Amen.